Enjoying a restoration planting here in Katy, Texas. Enjoying this contrast of the various shade trees. The sweet gum, you can see in its youth, is quite tall and narrow. The bur oak next to it is a bit wider, which will become quite wide at maturity. There's a red bud in there. And the sycamore, a contrast with very large leaves. It's more of an open habit or shape. So we have a nut tree of some type in the back. The cedar elm, that's also quite upright and narrow in its youth. It will get wider, but not that wide. See, the sycamore really takes off. Really incredible vegetative growth. Quite a fast grower. And there's a native pine, probably a loblolly pine, also grow quickly. So this area handles storm water, and there's a heavy storm event, which is a regular occurrence here in Greater Houston. So the water, it would come up to the edge of this embankment during a heavy event. That would be regular. And then day to day, there's still a body of water there. See the bald cypress developing their signature wide root flare there, trunk flare. And lots of animal activity.